Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, entertainment gossip. If you are someone who likes gossip, this is the channel for you. Please make sure that you subscribe. Guys, uSkhumbuzo Mayaba, Usku, our favorite Sku, is currently being accused of being a deadbeat father. Ne? So this is after fans read a, a book that was written by his ex-wife. Ne? So after fans read a book that was written by his first wife, they started connecting the dots and then started accusing him of being a deadbeat. So Usku was previously married before he married our beautiful Nosy. So I also didn't know that, Kesana. I'm learning this for the first time. He was married, they had a baby boy whose name is Chumi. So Uchumi has autism. He is a special needs child, needs extra attention, needs extra care, and all of that. So now, his ex-wife has a book that people have been buying the book, reading the book, and then from the sentences and the paragraphs, they started connecting with no. Kahle kahle girl is venting ukuthi uSkhu is not present. uSkhu is a deadbeat nje empilweni yomntwana. uSkhu is not present at all. uSkhu loves the new child. You know, there are a lot of speculations. So kuthiwa ke allegedly uSkhu, from people who read the book. I didn't read the book, but nje I will include pages ke sana of the book la, so that you guys can see ukuthi kahle kahle lama dots lawa, where people are connecting the dots, isukelaphi, where does this thing come from? So kuthiwa ke allegedly uSkhu divorced the first wife because of this thing yoguti. They have a special needs child, the child needs extra attention, the child needs extra care, autism, and all of that. But those are speculations, allegedly. Ne? So now people are speculating with no, this is what is happening. Sku is not present. Sku is just enjoying his new marriage with his toddler, who is just not paying any attention to the child. Hey guys, one thing about the internet will be the death of us, Sana. Usku is loved by a lot of people from their YouTube channel, Banonozi. They're just a funny, happy couple. You wouldn't think Uguti Sana. There's something behind the closed doors that is happening. But guys, all of this is just alleged, okay? Because there's no proof. Yoguti, hey, it's cool. Now proof you are a deadbeat. You are not supporting your child. You are doing this and that. Just people are just speculating from reading the book. No, 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 no. Seems like the ex-wife is raising the kid alone. Usku is not present. Usku is just a deadbeat. But now we see him raising his son with Unozi. They look all happy and don't can't behind closed doors sana ziyawa. You know? But as I said, this is all alleged, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.